Hey there tech fans, today I've got the brand new Orei BK-931 8K HDMI eARC audio extractor. This product can digitally separate the audio component from any HDMI media stream and then allows you to pass that audio along to a soundbar or a home stereo for that full theater experience. The product fully supports both the eARC and the eARC standard, as well as a wide range of different file types. The unit also fully supports 8K media content and is both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your modern media equipment. It also provides multiple outputs for connections to your audio equipment, including an eARC port, a standard HDMI port, an optical SPDIF port, and a left and right analog port to make connecting to that equipment incredibly easy. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. You'll also find a single 5-volt 2-amp DC power supply. You can plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it which plugs directly into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. Also included is a full instruction manual that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a whole lot of other good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out a few of those special features. The product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape and keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a power indicator. When you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED, letting you know the module's ready to use. To the right of that is an input indicator. When you make a connection between the module and the media device you'd like to extract the audio from, that HDMI cable is checked, and once it's been verified, that LED will come on, indicating a solid connection. When you connect this module to an output monitor, that HDMI connection is checked, and the output indicator comes on, indicating a solid connection. The next two are indicators for connections for the audio section. So if you connect to a soundbar or an amplifier, those connections are checked, and these LEDs will come on, indicating a solid connection. So under normal operation, the power, input, output, and one or both of these should be lit. To the right of that is an eARC indicator, and that lets you know you're in full eARC mode, and you can turn that on and off by tapping that button. To the right of that is a bank of EDID switches, and these are used to adjust the frame rate and resolution between your input media and your output monitor, and they're fully explained in the manual. To the right of that is a USB-C connection that's used for updating the firmware on the module if needed later on. You can simply connect this to a local computer, move that firmware file to the module to complete that upgrade. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is an HDMI port labeled In Source. That connects to whatever media device you'd like to extract the audio from. To the right of that is another HDMI port labeled Output TV ARC. That connects to the ARC or eARC connection on your monitor. To the right of that is another HDMI port labeled eARC Out, and that's for your soundbar connection. You can use an ARC or eARC port on your soundbar with that port. To the right of that is an audio out amplifier connection, another HDMI. If you have an amplifier that has an HDMI input port, you can use a high quality HDMI cable between here and that amplifier. And then to the right of that is an optical SPDIF connection and an analog left and right. These can be used with older amplifier systems to make connections. And then finally to the right of that is a DC input port, and that's used with the power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of it has a barrel connection on it which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei BK-931 eARC audio extractor with other products you may be considering. The first thing, and probably most important thing, is that this product fully supports both the eARC and the eARC standard for audio connections, and the reason that's important is because most modern media gear use those two standards. Other audio extractors on the market may only support an older HDMI standard, which really limits the type and the quality of audio that you can generate from that media stream. Another big difference is the fact that this unit fully supports 8K media content. And the reason that's important is because the quality and resolution of media content is increasing every year. And knowing you've got a product that can handle 8K media, even if you're only watching 4K media today, means that you can continue to use this product as you upgrade your media equipment. Two other important differences are the HDMI 2.1 and the HDCP 2.3 certification. And the reason those are important is because the HDMI standard has changed a lot in recent years, new features have been introduced, and knowing you're on the latest version of HDMI for 8K content means you can immediately take advantage of all those features. And the HDCP certification is equally important because that controls copy protection. So again, knowing you're on the latest version of HDCP for 8K content means you can immediately play a wider range of media files. And the final point is the number of connections on the rear of the unit. A lot of other HDMI extraction products provide one or two connections, either digital or analog. This unit provides an eARC output, an HDMI output, an SPDIF optical output, and a left and right analog output, which makes connecting to your audio equipment incredibly easy. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks a lot for watching, and stay nerdy.